Hello friends, welcome to Best English Classes. This is Dr. Prateek Tamar and we have an IELTS aspirant Bhavya with us. Let's have an interview with her. Let's ask her a question and see how she responds. So Bhavya, your question is, describe a toy you liked in your childhood. What type of toy it is or it was, how you received it and how you played with it and how you felt about it. Okay, let's start.
Okay, so I had many toys when I was young. My father gifted me a lot, my brothers gifted me a lot. So the one I used to play with since I was in like 8th or 9th class, and it was a dancing doll, and my grandmother gifted me when he went to like when she went to some place. I don't remember that. So the doll used to rotate in a circular motion, and she was wearing a gown which is of white color and having a bouquet in one hand.
Okay.
So yes, it was a very amazing doll, and I used to play with it a lot whenever I felt like I am boring. Then
I'm getting bored.
So I just turned on the doll and used to see it. So yes, the experience was very amazing, but unfortunately it was broken by my brother. So yes, this was the doll. I used to play with it and I felt very amazing when I had that, but now I didn't have that doll.
Okay, you spoke very well. I must tell you, Bhavya, you have good confidence and good expressions. Your voice is good. All you need to do is to brush your basics of grammar. All the best.
Thank you, sir.